pala eh.
Bakit?
Naka-night light yung isa eh. With E. Let's see shit.
Hindi mo lang. Calm the eyes. This is why I don't wear glasses.
Alright, Michael, what's the agenda for today? We're playing some poker and blackjack with Nick's new chips. As you can see, I don't know. Dang it! I don't know if you guys noticed, but for some reason the 50s are fatter than the rest of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this real quick.
Yeah, you want to tell them about the first time you dealt in blackjack?
So I wanted to try out. Dealing in blackjack after a couple games of blackjack where Michael dealt. And you want to know the first deck that I gave to Michael?
It was an ace and a queen.
It was an ace and a queen. Luckily, they forgot to bet, so I redid it again.
And then?
Alexis, the next card.
And then guess what happens when I dealt to Michael again?
It was still an ace and a queen.
House always wins. For some reason, it's Michael who's always the house.
You were the house.
You were literally the house. You were dealing.
He was using his Chinese powers to.
Shiny.
He was using his Chinese powers because of the Chinese New Year. He's been reinvigorated with supernatural power. You know what I
You
mean?
know what? Fucks.
Yeah.
Don't worry. It ends in like 4 days.
I mean, it ends in 4 days. The Chinese New Year is a multiple day thing.
Huh?
It's not just like, isn't that what a New Year is? It happens and then it's over.
Yeah, I know.
So what do you mean
Well-
it ends in a few days? We thought that Dandan was coming, but Dandan also thought that he was coming, but then he didn't. Then he didn't. Man. Actually, while we're here, Michael, give us the rundown of where this is Nick's room, by the way.
Michael's gonna be the one who's touring.
We're gonna do a Nick setup tour from Nick review. We're gonna do Nick review. We're gonna review you, Nick. All right, we're gonna review you. We're gonna review you. We're gonna review you. All right. Okay, let's go.
Alright, so for the PGs at home, I moved this mouse.
I'm sorry. Are we actually going to PGs?
I don't know what to call the viewers at home, but I want to call them something other than viewers. For the children at home, actually I'm also a child. I can't say child.
You're 19.
For
What
my
are you talking
brothers
about?
and sisters at home, this mouse, this was not here. Wanna know where it was? I'm gonna show you all. Yeah. Yeah. Holy shit. Hidden compartment.
That's a classic Filipino desk right there.
And
I've
it-
never seen a desk like that outside of the Philippines.
And it was right fucking here. Why? I don't know. What's the something?
Oh, he put the wire underneath. Ew. No, I respect that.
No, you should.
That's respectable.
No, you
yeah.
should.
I respect that. Well,
Yeah.
then why did you move it there?
Because it's better? Question mark. You would also put it up there.
I would. Yeah.
Exactly.
I would. Yeah, I would.
Yeah,
All right.
but other than the keyboard and the mouse, I mean, he has a second monitor. Pretty
Yeah.
good.
What's the specs on this thing?
It's 1080p with 60 hertz. Yeah, so it has 60 hertz.
Open up some DX diag here. Oh, this monitor. What about the laptop itself?
The laptop has 144.
Hey, not too bad. Not too shabby. Not too
Yeah, see,
shabby.
this is the laptop
Yeah.
right here. And
Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
144.
All right, damn. Not too shabby.
See? It's all. I mean,
It's all right. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right.
And then that's it. That's the tour. Also, can't forget
You guys.
the board games, the countless.
Oh,
board
yeah,
games
we
this
gotta-
guy has.
This guy is a lover of board games,
That
right?
guy's pretty rich. I think y'all should marry him. I'll send a Google form. Yeah, see, this how rich he is. He's reviewing Rich Dad's
Retire
Young,
young, retire rich.
How
Rich
did you-
dads. That's a lot of R's. Even his name starts with an R. Robert.
Kiyosaki. See? How to get rich and stay
He
rich.
does look like a Robert. He really does.
Okay, but what does he have, a horse?
What is this image? No, that's the
I think that's him and his wife. Yeah,
that's
it
the
is.
definition of rich is a horse apparently.
No. The meaning of being rich is being happy with what you have.
Ah, that's true.
That's just why he put his image right.
Yeah. That's true.
Piggy banks right there.
Lot of money.
Because we need to get rich. We need to stay rich.
Both from Nick and from from PG-13.
What was that?
He's got headphones, knives, screwdrivers, gloves, Nerf guns.
The archery. If no.
The archery. Oh my gosh, my phone went from 30% to 20% in 6-7 minutes this entire time.
Six. Yeah.
we both deflated there.
Yes, we will.
This is pretty much PG-13 headquarters. Sometimes we go to Dandan.
It's the
Sometimes.
headquarters number 1.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta show him. We gotta show them the balcony, dude. We gotta show them the balcony.
The balcony's right there.
We gotta go outside.
Alright, viewers, follow us. And now we're outside. I don't know. I don't know why we're here.
You were the one who told me to come over here. You know.
Well, you told them you wanted to show them the balcony. Well, now it's.
Oh, that's well. Then show us the balcony, man. You're not doing too good of a job of showing the balcony.
This is the balcony. What do you want to say? There's a lot of plants. There's a box and shit. That's where we usually gym as a group because we're bored. Headquarters number 2 is right over there. Actually, right over there. Your fucking house.
You all have never been to my house.
I
What are you
have.
talking about?
I have.
Well, I have brought you guys up to the 3rd floor.
Yeah, but I've actually stayed there.
Yeah.
For like a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Minutes, I mean like 30 minutes.
Down to 15% already. Jesus.
I think we gotta end the video with that.
All right, wait. Let's do an. Wait, no. Nick is coming. Outro. Nick, come do the outro.
Huh?
Do the outro.
Thank you guys for watching PG-13 vlogs. We hope to see you again next time.
PG-13 plus.
Vlogs.
Oh, vlogs. I thought we were launching a membership or something.